So basically in this video, she explained more about the descriptions of heat exchanger, which is heat exchanger is one of the equipment for effective transfer of heat through fluid, such as liquid gas, and gas liquid. So there are 6 types of heat exchanger, which is the first one is concentrate tube heat exchanger. So the second one is shell and tube heat exchanger, compact heat exchanger, regenerative heat exchanger, plate heat exchanger, and last one is cross flow heat exchanger. So heat exchanger actually consists of 2 types of flow, which is parallel flow or co-current flow and counter current flow. So actually there are difference between these two flow. Co-current flow is the explained about the flow for the fluid that is flow in or flow out in the same direction. So let's take a look. So let's say this is point 1 and this is point 2. So point 1, so for the hot water and the cold water, there are flow in the same direction. So for the point at the point 2, the hot water and the cold water is flow out in the same direction also. So in the heat exchanger, there are actually flow in the same directions. So this is what we call as parallel flow arrangements or co-current flow arrangement. Okay, so for the next part is counter flow. So this is the diagram or the picture that we can understand more about counter flow. So let's say again, this is point 1 and point 2. If you can look deeper in this picture, actually there are not on the same direction, which is at point 1, the cold water is flow in while the hot water is flow out. So basically there are flow not in the same direction. So that's why in uh, in the industry many company or many factories use heat exchanger in counter current flow arrangements because there are more effective uh, transfer of heat rather than parallel flow. So in the experiment, we will look into this type of flow arrangement. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.